Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you're having a great day so far. So from the title you already know that today's video is again about one of the newest launch of Nykaa Cosmetics, and today I'm going to review this contour kit from Nykaa, and it's called the Nykaa Contour and Conquer Contour and Highlight Duo. So the name is really mouthful. So when you just apply a matte foundation or a full coverage foundation, you have noticed that your face looks really flat and it doesn't look that much attractive on photographs. So at that time you need to contour your face. So contouring is a process in which you just add artificial shadows in your face to make your face look a lot more structured and defined. And if you have chubby cheeks as I do and you just face the problem of having double chin, then contouring is a must. Contouring just make your face look a little bit of slim, and it just adds such nice structure to your face. So you can use a powder contour or a cream contour of your choice, and Nykaa, as I have told you guys, has released this contour kit which consists of a contouring powder as well as a highlighted powder. So it comes with two things in a single pan. So Nykaa has released this product a month back, but I just got it around 7 days back, and I have been constantly trying this product for about 7 days guys, and I thought that this is the best time to provide my final thoughts about this stuff. I'm going to just review this product. I'm going to just provide you in-depth detail of this product, how this worked on me, whether I just liked it or not, whether it's suitable for Indian skin tones or not. So I'm going to provide you everything about this product. So if you want to know more about this Nykaa Contour and Conquer Contour and Highlight Duo, then please continue watching. First, coming to the packaging, this contour kit comes in the usual Nykaa packaging, this pink and red cardboard box. This is the usual Nykaa packaging, and when you just open the box, you get this sponge-like thingy, and inside this you get your contour kit. So this is how the contour kit looks like. Guys, inside this box you get a card like this as well. So this is just an informative card in which you get informations about how to contour and highlight your face. So coming to the actual packaging guys, this is how Nykaa's Contour and Conquer Contour and Highlight Duo looks like. So it comes in this plastic packaging which has got this magnetic lid which shuts really tightly. And when you just open it, you can see this is how the pan looks like. So it comes with one contour shade and one highlight shade. So this is how the contour kit looks like. So the packaging is really hard and sturdy. You can easily travel with it. It's really compact. It will not get opened up inside your purse because the closure is really tight. So you won't be facing that problem. But I just prefer my palette to have a mirror. This doesn't come with a mirror, so that's a bummer. Other than that, the packaging is really nice and it's really travel friendly. So now coming to the price point, the Nykaa Contour Duo retails for rupees 699 for 9 grams of product. So it's neither too expensive nor an affordable product. So it's in a moderate range. So if you want to have a contour kit in which you want to get a contouring shade as well as a highlighter shade, then you can just give it a shot. So now coming to the shade range, this contour kit comes in only one shade, which is the shade 01 Sizzle Chisel, which is mainly available on Nykaa's website. So there is no other shades available, but I think this shade is really universal and it will suit most of the Indian skin tones. So I'm really happy with the shade that Nykaa has provided in this contour kit. The pigmentation of this product is really good guys. These are really soft to touch and this just blends into your skin, and they are really pigmented. Let me just give you a swatch of it. So this is how the contouring shade looks like, you can see, and this is how the highlighting shade looks like. So these are the swatches of the highlighter and the contour shade, and you can see these are really pigmented and these are really soft to touch, and it has applied really smoothly on my face. So what does Nykaa claims about this product? Nykaa claims that this is a universal favorite contour shade, blends into perfection with its velvety smooth formula to give you a flawless and contoured look. The highlighter is infused with innovative light sculpting pigments that create a light diffusing glowy look. It is having a long-lasting perfection, easy to use two-step contouring duo, smooth velvety formulation. So these are all the claims that Nykaa has provided on her website. So I think Nykaa has provided a lot of claims, and to know more about the claims, whether the claims are justified or not, you want to see the application. So before providing my final thoughts about this product, I just like to show you the application of this product on my face, so you can just make your mind how this product worked on me. After that, I'm gonna provide my final thoughts about this product. So let's move on to the application. You have seen that this contour shade just applied so well on my skin. I didn't face any sort of blending issues. It just appeared so smooth on the skin. I just touched it and it just blended into my skin so well. So I'm really happy with the blendability of this product. You will be not facing any sort of patchiness while applying this product, and the shade is to die for. Yes guys, the shade is a perfect cool toned brown, which just suits most Indian skin tones having yellow undertones. So I think this sort of shade will look really nice for contouring your face. And if you're just darker than me, this shade might look a little bit ashy. So that's the only problem, but I think if you are of my skin tone, I'm NC41 in Max Studio Fix Fleet. So if you are of my skin tone, I think this sort of shade will look really nice. So it's a perfect cool tone brown, which is perfect for contouring and sculpting in your face. So this shade is not for bronzing your face. You can't use it as a bronzer. It is mainly curated to use as a contour because it just chiseled out your face so well. It helps in creating artificial shadows, which is really needed for a contour kit like this. So this highlighter is not that chunky on my face, guys. I have seen that this highlighter looks more natural on my face. It doesn't have that much sparkles or glitters into it, which will just look stark on your face. So I'm really happy with the highlighter shade as well. So this has got a really good undertone. It has got a champagne undertone, which will look very nice on most Indian skin tones. So both of this contour as well as highlight shade will work on most Indian skin tones, for which I'm really happy because shades are really universal. You can easily use it. I really like this sort of contouring shades which look more cool tone on the face, as it helps in sculpting out your face. So really happy with all the shades, guys. I'm really happy with the shades that Nykaa has provided. So the longevity of this product is around 5 to 6 hours. Highlighter will not fade up from your face because it looks more like a glowy skin on your face, which is really needed for a highlighter. I really like this sort of highlighters which just add sheen to your face but not add that much of starky blindness, not add that much of glitteriness on my face. So really happy with the highlighters. The contour lasted on me for a very long time. The highlighter has faded a little bit, but the contour has lasted on me for a very long time. So I'm really happy with the longevity as well. So now coming to the pros and the cons of the Nykaa Contour and Conquer Contour and Highlight Duo. So the pros are a lot more, but the cons are a lot less. So pro number one is the shade range. I'm really happy with the shade 01 Sizzle Chisel, which Nykaa has provided in this contour kit. This is perfect for most Indian skin tones. So this contour shade has got the perfect cool tone brown into it, which looks perfect for sculpting your face, for just chiseling out your face. So really happy with the shade range. The highlighter is also good. It has got a very good champagne tone into it, which looks perfect on Indian skin tones. So pro number 2 is the packaging. The packaging is equally good. You can easily travel with it. It's really compact. So just having a contour and a highlight in a single palette is really essential for traveling. So I'm really happy with the packaging as well. So pro number 3 is the blendability of this product. So this product is of a very good quality. This is a very smooth and very soft to touch. If you just touch it, we will be able to feel how smooth it is, and it just applies on your face so smoothly. You won't feel any sort of patchiness or any sort of blendable issues while applying this product. So I didn't find any sort of con for this product, guys. I'm really happy with everything about it because I'm really happy with the shade that Nykaa has provided in this product. I am very happy with the packaging. With overall, I'm really happy with this product. But I think that if you belong to a very deep or dark skin tone category, I think this shade will not show up that much on you. But the highlighter will work, but the contour shade will look a little bit more like your skin tone. So I think that's the only issue which I have found, but everything is really nice and good. And the other thing which I want to tell is that I just want this packaging to have a mirror. So Nykaa, if you're just listening to me, then please add a mirror to just make this product a lot more complete. So here comes the end of the video, guys. This is all about Nykaa Contour and Conquer Contour and Highlight Duo. I think I have provided everything that I just need to say about this product. I personally like this product a lot because the contour shade actually made me really happy. The highlighter is also good. It's not that blinding, but I think if you are a very deep skin tone or dark skin tone, this contour shade will not show up that much on you. Other than that, everything is really good. The quality is really nice. They are really pigmented and very soft to touch. So really happy with the product, and I just want you to try this one. Just try this one and let me know whether you liked it or not. I really do recommend this product. I have personally used it and I have found that I just fell in love with this product. So I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Or if you're just watching me for the first time, then please take a moment and subscribe. And if you want me to review any other product, then please leave a comment down below. I'll be surely trying to get hands on that product as soon as possible. So please leave a comment, and we'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.